So hey folks, welcome to our new video, and in this video we will talk about the new grant that is specifically for those who want to build on specifically on the machine learning and the artificial intelligence specifically, and the first grant program by NVIDIA, that is NVIDIA Academic Hardware Grant Program. This is specifically focused on the what we have seen right now, if those people who want to give hands-on to the students in the artificial intelligence, machine learning or data science in any discipline specifically, and they can grant this program, and all the grant program is for the professor. But how you can get benefited is like that: when you are reaching out to a professor who are really known to you, you have a kind of connection, and you can helping out in that, and so you get a great benefit from there, and because the resources get by the professor, and you have opportunity to use that resource, because you can say I can share this kind of thing. But yeah, let's deep dive into the grant program specifically. So the first one is the NVIDIA one. So NVIDIA one, let's check this out. So first of all, the current application deadline is 23rd July, so do apply ASAP. And about notification about 27th August and January 2022. NVIDIA program enabling the groundbreaking innovative, specifically focus on the research projects with the world-class computing resources that is provided by the NVIDIA. Eligibility, you can say, for research applicant must be PhD or faculty. I think so most of the video you are seeing is all those who are college professor, and we know most of the college professors try to work on the PhD work, so you can use their PhD work, not you but the professor who are applying for this grant. And you can helping out, if you want to build on some of the machine learning project under their guidance, then you can get in this opportunity through this resources specifically from your teachers. But yeah, applicant must be a support of the NVIDIA product as with a latest NVIDIA RTX workstation GPU. That is totally awesome. You can apply to and yeah, academic research and the grant program, all the links in the description. You can check that out. This link will be in the description, and this is all the things are given by the professor and their research project and what the requested project supports or requirements for that particular project. So you can use that for you can say, if you even deep dive into what the role that professor, assistant professor, postdoctorate, teacher, instructor, administrative, PhD. If you also a teacher, but teacher in the sense you must be a part of any accredited institution or specifically in university, so that you can prove that you are a teacher and you are providing resource or use that particular resource. Okay. So the project title is no, and the project type can be research. Teaching curriculum development is also great if you want to teach the student about GPUs, TPUs and the hardware stuff, and how they are integrating with the machine learning, AI and data science kind of thing. That's also an awesome thing. And if it's regarding other than research and teaching, you can shift to the other also. And result timeline totally depends on the less than 3 months. But what is the timeline set by the professor? You can discuss on that end. And what is the project research domain? There are so many: autonomous driving, computer graphics, computer vision, conversational AI, data science, early STEM education, healthcare, life science, natural language processing, network and security, other AI, reinforcement learning, robotics, and AI for automation, speech recognition, and telecom. There are so many, and here's a great opportunity for you to learn, to deep dive into the research, even though you are not a part of a PhD or MTech kind of thing, but you have a great opportunity for you, for specifically professors and you, to get into one of the project, and yeah, so do get the hand dirty on that end. Okay. Now, totally depends on which kind of hardware. There's so many items. I'm not knowing is a super fast kind of thing, but it's a great programs, and yeah, great software you develop. Okay, you can say, and you can apply soon for this, and you can click next by application. That's the total basis of it. Let's go deep dive into the Facebook, and this is the deadline is 14 July, maybe tomorrow. Do apply ASAP. First of all, focus on this project if you are really interested in augmented reality, virtual reality, smart devices, artificial intelligence kind of thing. So. Timeline as you share, I'll share the timelines, and deadline is 14 July, 5 p.m. AOE, and you can convert it into the IST if you are reaching this IST, and check that out. Winner announcement in August 2021. It's in about the next month, you can say. We are interested in novel, specifically the hardware or OS platform or supply chain kind of thing, focusing on the UX for focusing on the user experience, how you can work on it. It is also maybe, I think so, maybe it is also part of you can say professor or the student. Let's see again. Advancement in the identity authentication, or you can say biometric or the face recognition, you can say security privacy thing, because recently we know the security is really important right now in the terms of the vendor data driven society that we are working on. So yeah, and totally focuses the privacy, data, and differential integrity kind of thing, and any novel or new concept applied for the augmented and virtual reality and smart devices, and also in augmented reality in focus of the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Yep. So proposal what will include a summary of the project 1 to 2 page, and more the focus on the technique that are relevant to prior work that you have done earlier, and draft a budget writer and curriculum vitae, like CV for all the project participants, and organization details. Obviously, like yeah, this is only for the, I think so. The applicant must be, let's see the applicant, like so the applicant must be a principal invigilator of any resulting award or accredited institution specifically. Currently a faculty, because there is a faculty and under there are many students who want to work on the same project. That's a great opportunity for the professor and again the student who want to work with research specifically. So that's a great opportunity for Facebook. All the links in the description, you can check that out. Now final but not the least, one of my favorite, that is TensorFlow. 2021 result for the proposal faculty award. If you want to support as of according, I'm talking from the faculty perspective, if you want to contribute in machine learning education specifically, to build out the courses including diversity specifically on that end, to build out, to promote open source culture more on your college, or you can say an academic institution, there is a great opportunity for you all to get into this. And yeah, so the maybe that, yeah, deadline is 30 July is also coming soon. Do apply ASAP. And for those who want to work on the, you can say work on the specifically on the what you have to submit a proposal, what the educational material you get, access to TensorFlow user research cloud credit, and yeah, there's a more focusing on if you want to work on more. And financial support, about support between 5,000 USD to 20,000 USD. That's a great thing. If a proposal is accepted, the award will be given as an unrestricted gift to your university, obviously. Yeah, so there's a whole thing, all the links in the description, you can check that out. And that's a whole, and for the Facebook who want to know the, you can see the money included here, I am not shared, but yeah, that is include about $75,000 each. That's a total awesome. Yeah, so yeah, these are the opportunities that you are seeing right now. I hope so you love this video. We are bringing out more such videos for you all. It's not opportunity but working on the more on the product development, product design kind of thing. So that will be awesome for you all to get indulged with this thing. And yeah, I hope so you love this video. Hit a like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to so that everyone can get into it. And yeah, do apply ASAP. See you folks, bye bye. I hope so you love this video.